Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Tonight I'd like to show you my progress on my Mickey Mouse factory. I think it's turning out good. Look at the goofies. Now you're supposed to see them from a distance. They're turning out. They're not quite done yet. I need some fives. I knew they were going to be able to turn out. You could tell what they were. So I don't understand, why is that red one in there? I don't know. Because when you pull it back, it just looks normal. Okay, so because this canvas is just so much confetti, I couldn't do it like I normally do. I've never had a canvas like this before. I don't think so. I can't remember it if I have. But like the blue, I'm saving the blue, and then I get that all done at once because it goes too far over. The plastic would have come up if I would have just did it the way I normally would, color by color. So I decided, okay, do what's right in front of me here. And then I stretched over to do Mickey. And I stretched up to do a bunch of them. This is the middle right here. And I went up all that to get the machine. I was like, I want the machine done too. So from the distance, like the Goofies are turning out. Mickey's turning out. It's all looking good. I'm happy with it. Pluto, I come over here. Now I'm filling in the K's. These are the K's down here. Because the bottles I'm moving over here tomorrow for sure. So if whatever I was working on today, I was pushing the limit a little bit. This is weird. What, is that the right color? It's standing out like it's very weird. Yeah, that's the right color. Anyway, it could have used a little bit more glue, but I've experienced that before. You know, there's no real issues as far as budget friendly goes. It's wonderful. It's really nice. Let me give you a close-up of Mickey then before we go. He is almost done. Pluto's almost done. Well, I forgot about the C's. There's a couple sixes I missed. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope everyone's having a good night.